Hi, I'm Robert Estrin. This is livingpianos.com, your online piano resource, with part 2 of how to make it in music. If you watched part 1, I talked about how sometimes you just have to keep moving somewhere, even if you don't know where you're going exactly, to move in the general direction and then get clues as to where to adjust your path to be able to see what opportunities present themselves, as well as what resonates with you and what you can bring to light. I use the analogy of being lost in the woods and getting any clues as to how to get out. And sometimes you might feel that way in life. If you're searching for something, you're yearning to do something with music, but you just don't know what that is, and you don't know where to begin. So you just have to kind of keep moving, because if you stay stuck in one place, you'll never get out of those woods, and you'll never get anywhere in music. You've got to do something. Eventually, you're going to see something, and you go, aha, this is where I want to be. I get it. This is great. I think I might be able to do that. So seeing an end goal and seeing it clearly and envisioning it. And once you have that, you can start filling in all the steps, working backwards from that end goal, all the different things that are required in order to get there. And working day by day in an organized fashion and adjusting even then. You're not going to have all the answers even then, but once you have identified a clear goal, then you can work step by step, each day getting closer to that goal. And that is intrinsically important, not just for music, but all fields, in order to be successful. First, you have to be in that exploration phase and let yourself go wild in many different directions to see what resonates with you, what's genuine, and what you have a passion for the long haul. Once you see something, latch onto it and figure out the steps involved to achieving getting there. And I know that sounds really simple, but obviously every single career has a different path, and you have to find your own path. And more than that, it's essential to find strategic partners. People can help you on that journey. And here's what you're going to find. Once you identify something tangible that you're after, and you have steps that you're getting there, and you need some help, you'll find people to give you that lift where you need it, because people will be inspired by your commitment. And they'll also feel like it's worthwhile helping you if they know that you have thought this through and you're doing everything in your power, and you just need a few strategic partners in order to achieve your goals. So that's what I recommend. Go into that exploration phase. Don't stand still. Once you find something, latch onto it and take all those steps to get there. And that's the life journey that's worthwhile if you have a passion for music or anything else. I hope this is enjoyable for you. Again, you're welcome to subscribe here at YouTube, as well as my Patreon channel, which has even more content for you. I'm Robert Estrin at livingpianos.com. Thanks again.